Right, I have one web collector here. Right, this is going to be the weighted heavyweight bolts for the rifle crossbow. So this is a 150-pound draw weight crossbow, standard sort of recurve one, and these are the bolts I'll be shooting. I'll be testing them on multiple backstops and other things. Right, one of them is lead weighted, one isn't. The standard one is 50 grams approximately. It wasn't very good scales, but it says about 50. That one is 125 grams, so over double the weight. Right, so I'll get straight down to the testing now, and then we'll talk about it afterwards. Right, there it is then. Quite interesting. Not conclusive. Definitely hits harder, but I'm not sure if it was too heavy. You can see that it's definitely going in further to the catalogue, the lead one. But on the frying pan, the lighter one went through and the lead one didn't, so it wasn't going as fast, I suppose. With the wood, the lead one went further through, but then when I looked, it had gone through next to a hole, next to another one, so I don't know whether that was a very accurate test, but the recoil was definitely different. I could tell the recoil was different. Oh, and one when I shot the lead one where you could see me shoot it from the front, I think I'd pulled the string slightly to the side, and it made the bolt go like that, I think. I haven't watched the footage yet, but yeah, quite interesting. I'll put a picture of the frying pan on at the end. One thing I did notice with the lead one, every time I shot it, I had to put more lead in and then pack it in again. What I was using was, I was putting these pellets in, ramming them down with this in the knock end. So take the knock end off, drop the pellets in, ram it in, and then put the knock end back on. Used a pair of pliers to take the knock end on and off. Yeah, and that seemed to work alright. But yeah, every single time I shot the bolt, I had to do the put the lead back in. So yeah, I hope you found this interesting. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, because I do lots of these kind of videos and other weapon related stuff and crossbow stuff. And don't forget to visit the links below, and there'll probably be a blog entry for this, and just after this I'll put some pictures of the frying pan and the catalogue on and that. Alright, see you later.